tour of the Carrie blast furnaces. Old industrial site they redone. They're giving some tours. Look at this. Let's go check it out.
Moved up from across the street, head down to a different beat. Woke up, this is it for me. I gotta keep illumination for free. I start running when I hit the ground and start giving them a different sound. I think I finally found it. Up in the clouds, I ain't never been grounded. Make my way to the exit door. I leave this here for the rest of y'all. And I expected more, but build it up and it's got to falling. Suitcase on the bedroom floor, one-way ticket in an empty drawer. Come send me off, I'm flying out to a different show.
Give me a ticket for an airplane. Ain't got time to take that fastest train. Lonely days are gone, I'm going home. My baby just wrote me a letter.
The lane's blurry, I'm pulling over, I'm on the shoulder. I think it's time to go. Layovers and hangovers, I'll take over. I'll leave it all in the door. Hop into the automobile, audible real, foot in the bill, so put on your heels. I'm on the path, train to Jersey, it's a fast lane to 30. I'ma take it in early, some folks playing dirty. Now I'm living out of bag again, I'm rattling, traveling, snapping in and out of it, and balancing what's happening. I'm leaving where I grew up, where people never blew up, where no one ever knew what they were doing. So they...
This thing is where they transported the raw materials, the hot, over to the steel mill, the raw iron. I'm gonna go up in here. Let's get some light going. Whoa. Those bricks are able to withstand the heat of this molten hot iron. Holy smokes. That's a tour of the Carrie blast furnaces behind me. Definitely give that one 2 thumbs up. One last interesting site after that tour. As you can see, we're a Lowe's parking lot right now, but they've built property where the old steel area was, the steel mill, and they had this old piece of history that they couldn't move because it was too big and heavy. It's this 12,000 ton press. And they just left it in here because it was too expensive to move, too heavy, and they couldn't get the insurance money for it. Look at it. All right, lunchtime today. We're right outside the University of Pittsburgh here. Carnegie Mellon is around here too, because we are gonna check out this cool restaurant. It's called the Conflict Kitchen. And basically what it does is it serves up food from conflict zones around the world. Maybe Afghanistan, North Korea, Syria. So let's see what they have on menu today. Today's meal from the Seneca First Nations. Looking forward to this. I'm getting some quail. I got myself that. This is a it's like a sweet drink made out of cranberry, I think. Oh, the bread looks good. We got the quail in here, the potatoes, and then we got some root vegetables. All finished meal at Conflict Kitchen. That was actually really healthy. Loved it. Highly recommend. This juice is amazing. Highly recommend you guys check it out if you ever come down to Pittsburgh. Alright, we just got an Uber to our final site of the day, the wonderful Church Brew Works. Now what is this? This is a brewery that's based in an old church. So we're thirsty, let's go have a drink. Alright, so that's on Asteroid Ale. That's actually the Donald. That's their summer drink named after you know who. But it's got a hint of lime in it, so. Oh, that's pretty good, I like it. Beer number 2 is called Millennium Beer, and it's a bit carbonated. They call it the champagne of beer. It's actually pretty good. It's got a lot of kick to it because of all the carbonation in it, but they serve it in this tiny glass that I feel like I'm gonna break because it's too tiny. That's all from the Church Brew Works. That's a pretty cool looking location. I can't say it's the best beer I've ever had, but it is pretty good beer. Great ambience there. I highly recommend if you're in Pittsburgh, go to this place, check it out, have a bevy or two. We are going to check out the Pittsburgh Penguins game.